Hello again, everyone. Today's tutorial is going to be involving creating items on a mass scale. Now firstly, you'll want to find the item that you want to base your next items off of. So let's look up Shadowmourne. Name like Shadowmourne. Right click, export grid rows. Click selection. You'll want to change this to insert. We'll do delete and insert. Click OK. Go to your query tab here. Hit paste. And to make this easier to read, we're going to do that. And at the end of this line, change the semicolon to a comma. And let's make, how about 10 upgrades? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do Roman numerals. Okay, and you'll want to find a free range to put these in. So we'll hit clear, click this, click it again. So it looks like this goes all the way up to like 5 million. Let's look for a lower range. So let's do around 200,000. And for the sake of this, let's do a base item. We won't keep the original. And we'll change this. Backspace all that. We'll do where entry between 200,000, 200,010. Click the very bottom line, push the left arrow, and we're going to change this last comma to a semicolon. And let's put some custom colors in there. We'll do cyan. So again, it's that line, CFF, paste the code, then end it with that line again, and R. And if you didn't watch the last video, that line, it is to the left of the delete key and above the enter key. If you hold shift and push that, it'll give you that line. I just cannot for the life of me remember what it's called. And we'll just keep doing that for all of these. To make it quicker, we'll just copy all that. And don't forget to end the custom color. Okay, and I know for a fact that these 5s are the qualities, but if you can't remember all of that, just do below all of this, update, item template, set, quality. We'll change it to 6. Quality equals 6. Where entry between and looks good. So after we have done all this, we can look it over really quick. 200,000, 200,010. We're not overwriting any existing data. We've already checked right here. And we should be good to run. So click anywhere in this window and push F9, which will run the query. If you go back in here, push F5, there's your custom items. Now, we may have to... Yeah, we'll have to restart the server. So just close the window, reopen it. And we'll wait for the server to come back up. It should not take long. Oh, yeah. So we can also cover something else. Item template set stat value equals stat value 1 times, let's say 1.25, 25% increase. Do a comma. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where entry between. And so these don't all turn out to be the same thing. Let's only do 1 through 10. Change this to entry minus 200,000 plus 0.25. Now this should increase all the stat values. Let's also fix this before I forget. 4, 5, 6. Alright, looks good. 200. So we'll scroll over. You can see all these stat values are the same currently. So we'll go ahead and run this as a test. Push F9. Go back, click anywhere in here, push F5 to reload. And there we go. So essentially what this is doing, let's say the entry is 200,005. So 200,005 minus 200,000 is just 5. So that's 5.25. You're increasing all the stats by 5.25 times. Alright. Covered pretty much everything there. If you want to find definitions for what all of these things are, if you don't know what any of them are, you can always look it up. Just go to Google, search Trinity Core space item underscore template. Should give you the definitions for all those. Did that already start back up? Add 200,000. Okay, so the stat update is not in effect. And as you can see, Only warriors, paladins, and death knights can use this. If you want to change that, it's stupid simple. Just go back into item template. You can see right here, allowable class is 35. Default, what is default? Change it to -1 for all classes to be able to use it. And these are actually bit mask values. You could just change this to -1 for all races. Again, if you go to Google, search Trinity Core space item_template, they will cover what this is. It's a bit mask value for the classes. And there you are. We now have all of these items. And I believe that pretty much covers item creation. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the repack.